Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how you can download music for Spotify offline. Now first of all, go to your Spotify and then select a few songs that you want to put in a playlist. I'll create a new playlist. And then I'll be adding a few new songs. And go ahead and add all the songs that you wish to put in this new playlist that you will be downloading. Remember that in order to download songs, you need to put them in a playlist and you will be able to download the playlist, not the music one by one. So it needs to be in some sort of playlist in order to be downloaded, and then you can hear it while the Spotify is turned on the offline mode. Now that you have added a few songs to your playlist, go to your library, go to your playlist, and then you'll see just at the right of the enhance button, you'll see a download icon. Go ahead and click on it, and your music will be downloaded in this playlist. And even if your internet is not connected, if your Spotify is turned off, the music will still play because it has been already downloaded. So this is how you download the music, guys, on your Spotify. Super easy and simple. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also comment down what you want to see next. Thank you so much for watching.